In this episode, we'll be going through the technical analysis from the Bitcoin Census website. This news came out straight away after the Bitcoin crashed, and we'll be looking at the most likely scenarios because we're forming this pennant. Are we going to break to the upside, or are we going to continue this dump to the downside? We'll be looking at the possible scenarios, and are Bitcoin whales selling their BTC? Here's how crypto investors are playing the markets according to Glassnode, and the most anticipated stablecoin, yes, the Facebook Libra, could be launched in January 2021. So if you like the content, guys, smash the like button and let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoin Census, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial market. I am not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say. And said this, let's go straight into the charts. The Bitcoin price is forming this huge pennant, as you can see on the chart, and this is coming from this massive crash that we had yesterday and this massive amount of volume to the downside. So the most likely scenario here is that this is a continuation pattern, and if we get a pull here from this bearish flag, we can see that the targets are going to be around about the $13,500 levels. And if we zoom out, I will also show you in September we were having this consolidation phase, and at the beginning of October is when we started this huge parabolic phase until now that we've broken out of it. And now we're forming this pennant, and if this pennant plays out, we're going to see the $13,500 levels. But this is also, if I get the Fibonacci retracement tool, the 61.8%. This is the golden pocket. So this is the bearish scenario here on the technical analysis. And the bullish scenario, which is more likely in my opinion, is that we formed this double bottom. We are currently breaking out from this symmetrical triangle, and the target here, if I take the back of the symmetrical triangle, it would be round about the $18,370 range. And this is also the golden pocket from this downtrend. So this is a very likely scenario to happen also, guys. The price of Bitcoin is breaking out from the symmetrical triangle, but we haven't got enough volume. I would be waiting for a bit more volume to take the trade, but the targets would be the $18,300 range, and place the stop loss behind the support area from this symmetrical triangle. Taking a look at the news of today, are Bitcoin whales selling their BTC? Here's how crypto investors are playing the markets according to Glassnode. New analysis from the crypto intelligence company Glassnode is pinpointing the price at which Bitcoin investors are willing to sell some of their holdings. The firm is tracking behavior from holders of all sizes and says investors who own 0.1 to 1 BTC began to sell when the leading cryptocurrency hit $13,500. Holders with 1 to 10 BTC began selling at $15,200. Large investors with 100 to 1,000 BTC started selling when Bitcoin hit $18,000. As for the biggest investors in this space with 1,000 BTC or more, Glassnode says they have refused to sell and were still buying at the height of BTC's recent rally. The number of Bitcoin whales entities holding at least 1,000 BTC has reached a new all-time high after more than 4 years. As you can see here, the number of wallets holding more than 1,000 BTC peaked at 2,000 in mid-2016, and now we're just breaking the all-time highs of 2,000 wallets holding more than 1,000 BTC. And taking a look at the next news, yes, it is about the Facebook Libra stablecoin. The Libra network is currently experiencing a major shift, as evidenced by several statements from members of the Libra Association. It was the first to come up with information from the Financial Times, which received several new and substantial termination from these individuals. The first stablecoin should be covered by the dollar, others will be released later. Their exact launch date currently depends on the payment services license from the Swiss Financial Market Supervisor Authority. The license could be granted as early as January 2021. The Libra Association applied for a license already in April 2020. I personally don't bother very much on the Facebook Libra stablecoin. There are plenty of stablecoins out there working perfectly. But the whole reason of the Facebook Libra is because there are millions of people that haven't got access to a bank account, and if they have access to internet, they can send wealth through the Facebook Libra stablecoin. Tell me what you think about the Facebook Libra coin down in the comment section. Guys, this is going to be it for today's episode. Feel free to check out the Bitcoin Census website. We've got incredible tutorials here on how to buy, how to store, and even how to trade Bitcoin. We've got the latest news, so I'll be leaving a link in the description so you can check it out. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't done yet, and thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next one.